Hello, this is Ariana Antonio for CPM 1411, and this is my week 4 project review. So we went ahead and did the same thing last week to to my iOS app that I did for the Android app. Fairly straightforward and simple. The first one on the rubric is updating data. And so I will go ahead and I'll just use the reflector for this. So this is on my phone. So we went ahead and added 11/19 today's date. It says 6.5. Let's say I messed up and I actually did 5.6. I will go ahead and make sure that one is selected, update it, and it says 5.6. And let's see, so that updates that data. In terms of data validation, for the distance it can only accept periods and numbers. So I can go ahead and try and type anything else into there, and it says there's an invalid character. I can try just typing letters, same thing. And obviously with the date picker you can't really go wrong with the invalid date. So that is my data validation. Network detection, unfortunately I can't really show you network detection. In the iOS simulator, you can turn off Wi-Fi and put it in airplane mode, but it still actually connects to the Wi-Fi on your laptop. I'm sure you know this. So, and if I turn off the Wi-Fi on my phone, it can no longer connect to this with AirPlay. So, but I do have it detecting the network, and if you are using the reachability class, and it basically just tries to reach Google, and if it can't reach Google, then it decides that your internet is down. And so that's wrapped around each button click. And so if you try and click one of these while the network is down, it'll just ask you to please connect to a network. So that's pretty straightforward and simple as well. And then synchronization. So for this, I'll go ahead and also pull up my simulator. So it's doing the same thing as with my Android app. It detects adds and deletes with 20-second polling, but updates do need to be refreshed. So I will go ahead and delete this one here. And then we will see over here in the simulator, once the polling session starts over again, it's going to go ahead and update for us. There you go. It deleted the 19th. And then similarly over here, we'll change the 18th to 4.3. Let's say we didn't go as far as we thought. We'll go ahead and update that. It updates it here. And since the polling only detects adds or deletes, we can hit refresh and it changes it to 4.3 over there. So that's pretty simple. It's synchronizing between the two. I believe that's it. Everything else is working from 2 weeks ago. Updating, validating, synchronizing, and detecting. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for the great month. Bye.